Renewing your F-1 student visa in 2025. U.S. embassies now require social media disclosures, public profile access, and strict documentation. Plus, many students are facing unexpected processing delays and administrative reviews. Welcome to Direct U.S. Immigration's channel. My name is Miatrai Brown, and I am a U.S. immigration attorney with almost a decade's worth of experience based in the Washington, D.C. metropolitan area. I am also the principal attorney at Direct U.S. Immigration, where we assist clients in all 50 states and around the world. To get direct access to the latest immigration information that could be vital to your case, make sure to click the like and subscribe button to stay connected. The F-1 student visa provides foreign students with authorization to pursue full-time academic programs at U.S. educational institutions. With the introduction of new requirements for 2025, it is crucial to understand the changes in the renewal process, especially regarding new social media policies and documentation compliance. This guide outlines the updated procedures and requirements to ensure a smooth renewal process for F-1 visa holders. The F-1 visa is a temporary student visa that permits foreign nationals to enroll in full-time academic programs at recognized U.S. educational institutions, including universities, colleges, high schools, and certified language schools. To maintain legal status and avoid interruptions in studies, visa renewals are essential for individuals planning to remain in the U.S. beyond the original visa expiration date. Keeping up to date with policy changes is critical, as amendments such as social media checks and tightened documentation requirements reflect evolving immigration priorities in the U.S. Now, let's talk about the social media checks. One notable change to the F-1 visa renewal application in 2025 is the inclusion of social media checks. This process involves providing user handles for specified platforms used within the past 5 years. U.S. immigration officials use this information to verify the applicant's background, identify any potential security threats, and ensure alignment with U.S. policies. Now, here are some key points to address. So, applicants may be required to disclose public and private accounts depending on the platform. Ensure there are no posts, comments, or connections that may be deemed a risk to national security or suggest non-compliance with visa conditions. Maintaining a professional and consistent online presence is recommended to avoid delays or inquiries during the review process. Now, before we dive deeper, if you have any specific questions or need more details, feel free to drop them in the comments section, or you can reach out to us directly through our website at www.directusimmigration.com. We are always here to help and would love to hear from you. Now, let's jump back into new documentation requirements. So, renewing the F-1 visa in 2025 entails submitting additional evidence beyond the traditional requirements. Ensuring all documents are accurate, complete, and updated is essential for a successful renewal. The following are the primary documents needed during the renewal process. Now, here are the core documents. The Form DS-160, so for consular processed cases, a fully completed online application for a non-immigrant visa must be submitted electronically. Or Form I-539. For extensions of stays inside the United States, a fully completed application for the non-immigrant visa can be mailed directly to USCIS. A passport. So the passport with a validity extending at least 6 months beyond your U.S. visit is required. The I-20 form, so issued by the educational institution confirming active enrollment and eligibility for continued study. Now, here are additional requirements. So the social media platform information, so this is accounts used within the designated period. Proof of financial support, so updated bank statements or sponsorship letters to demonstrate sufficient funds for tuition and living expenses. Academic transcripts, so evidence of satisfactory progress in your academic program. Applicants should also be prepared for additional questions during the interview process to evaluate their intent to return to their home country upon completing their studies. Now let's talk about the application process. The F-1 visa renewal process is designed to verify that the applicant continues to meet all the requirements for maintaining their status. So here let's talk about the main steps involved in the renewal for consular processed cases. So first is complete the DS-160 online. So applicants are required to complete the DS-160 application, print out the barcoded confirmation sheet, and present it during their consular interview. Second is to schedule a visa appointment. So depending on the embassy or consulate, scheduling procedures may vary. Some applicants may qualify for a visa interview waiver if certain criteria is met. Third is to attend the visa appointment if required. So be prepared to answer questions regarding your academic program, financial stability, and plans post-graduation. Bring all required documents, including those outlined in additional requirements for 2025. Fourth is follow up with administrative processing. So if additional background checks or document verification is necessary, be aware that this may lengthen the processing times. So staying proactive and responsive to requests from the embassy or consulate will help ensure a smoother process. By the way, if you're finding this helpful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on notifications. I have even more insider tips coming up in future videos that you will not want to miss. Now let's talk about staying compliant. So students seeking to preserve their F-1 status during the renewal process must follow these key requirements. Now, students must promptly report any address modifications or academic program adjustments to their DSO, which is also known as their designated school official. Avoid unauthorized employment, as this can jeopardize visa status. The I-20 form requires international students to maintain continuous full-time academic enrollment throughout their program. Now here are some important considerations. Processing time. So visa processing times may vary by location, so account for potential delays by applying early. Travel plans. When renewing visas abroad, students must allow adequate processing time before their scheduled return to academic studies in the U.S. Legal assistance. Consulting with an immigration attorney is advisable for those navigating complex situations or those who require additional guidance on social media policies and other new requirements. So the 2025 updates to the F-1 visa renewal process signify a more thorough and comprehensive evaluation of applicants. Students who familiarize themselves with the updated social media policies and additional document requirements can smoothly renew their visas while maintaining focus on their U.S. studies. Navigating these changes may initially seem daunting, but taking proactive steps, maintaining accurate records, and seeking professional assistance if needed can help ensure a seamless renewal experience. For more detailed information on recent policy updates, you can visit the USCIS official announcements page. So thank you for tuning in today. For more resources, check out the description below, where you'll find questionnaires to help determine the most appropriate visa for your needs, as well as a curated list of some of my travel favorites. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more content, comment with topics you'd like me to cover, and share this video widely. It might just help someone you know. For personalized advice, schedule a consultation with us at the link below. For weekly news updates, sign up for our newsletter and tune into our channel. Until next time, stay informed and travel smart.